Well, we had
Alright,
they had a they had a full team last time. No.
Oh, the door opened by itself. I swear to God, I did not press E. Oh, that's fucking.
Did you grab a? Okay, pile.
There's ghosts. I mean, not only zombies, but there's also ghosts. Fuck. Let me back in. Oh, the charger missed.
Well, Rombo combo. And I got recharged against the wall. That was beautiful. Dylan.
What?
So I got charged, right? Boomer went off. The charger already reset his charge and then charged me against the wall while I was getting up.
Wrecked.
I was like, really?
Oh, I thought he slammed you. I didn't know he charged. Oh, that means he took 20 damage.
He charged me twice.
He took 20 damage. Correct.
I only took 12 though. Because I was getting up the second time, so it didn't count it.
Oh, well, usually it's 10 damage per charge.
God damn it, Brandon, playing Honey Pop.
Fuck's honey.
What the fuck is that?
Yeah,
It's disgusting. It's basically waifus and Bejeweled.
Lane, why the fuck did someone throw Boomer Bile on a goddamn common infected?
I don't know, they wanted to summon hordes.
Oh, that's wonderful. I also like to summon to make the game harder, especially when we're playing hard rain. The hardest fucking campaign in the game.
Why are we just ditching Nick?
Because Nick's a fat fuck.
Okay. Oh, I got hunted.
Shit.
I got hunted.
No, the
That
pipe.
nice
Hunter does
shot.
most damage, Hunter
I
does
got
most
you.
damage.
Nice charge, mate.
Oh,
my
and I
god,
wrecked
move.
him. Oh, I was OP. I was like kneeling underneath the pipe. I was like, eh. Hey, Nick here, you fat ass.
Do you need me?
Oh, he's
Do
healing.
you think I'm
Okay,
pretty?
that's
Do
me.
I
Lane,
make you
help.
feel like...
Lane is a jockey.
Where?
Okay, we're good. We're good.
There's also a charger, but I mean...
Charter's dead. Ah! Nick punched me.
I couldn't... I was getting slapped by a zombie. So was she, apparently, and she's like, huh, fuck it.
Ah.
Hey, adrenaline chat. I'm gonna take my pills first.
Spooky. I'm gonna switch to auto shot. I feel like.
I'm almost out of ammo.
Fuck this, I'm taking my pills. Pills, boys.
Okay, I swear to fucking god, I shot that zombie.
Eh? Smoker does like the least damage. Smoker does the least damage. Yeah. Hunter does actually do the most damage. Yeah, fuck that truck.
Well, I killed the boomer so the charger couldn't charge you guys.
Yeah,
Is that
he went to
acceptable?
charge and he got stumbled, so I just like fucking filled him with shotgun shells. Oh, there's a tank normally here. Please be a tank.
I'm out of ammo.
Wait, do we go back through here? Yeah, we go down here, right?
Yeah, you go down to... You see that pipe? Yeah, you have to get on that pipe.
Oh shit, witch. Witch, watch out. Or just fucking bum rush the witch.
Where's
No!
the witch?
Wait, did she kill it instantly?
Yeah, she insta-killed.
That's a tank? Oh
That's
no!
a tank!
That's Smoker! Please, Nick! Nick! No!
I got you, Dylan! No, I don't! I guess I'm going up here.
Ow! Pills, pills. No, I almost took them.
Fuck it, I'm running, Dylan.
No way! Fuck it, run. Just run fast and fast.
Bum rushes jockey, dies.
Rip. You gotta get that, huh? Oh, you Hawaiian faggot. She's gonna stand her ground against the tank. 10 out of 10. Well, 489 to 82. They have to they have to complete it almost to get more points than us. I'm a jockey, huh?
I make you look like salami.
Same.
I make salami look good.
Likewise. Well, there's two witches. Shit.
Why are we not getting a fourth player? Like, what the fuck?
I don't know. People probably don't like hard rain. There's a fucking answer.
We have 2 witches on the map, by the way.
I know. That is bad. This is hard rain. Hard rain has, like, the last level, or at least the second to last level on the way back is like 1,000,000 witches. Like, I ran into so many goddamn witches.
I forgot how to speedrun this, so there's a way to speedrun it.
run
Oh,
fast.
so you get up on this platform, and then you have to... What the fuck? You have to get up here somehow. I don't remember how. Oh, you climb that pipe.
I'm gonna show you how.
You have to get up here. Is there a way to get up here?
Yeah, I don't think there's a way to get up over there.
Yeah, I think there is. You can just jump up here. You jump from, like, this pipe to this pipe, and then you go ham. Were you with me when I was doing it?
No.
Okay, well, basically, you're gonna be up here.
Wait,
You're gonna
where?
be in this building. You're gonna... Oh, fuck me. I'm back in the spot. Okay, you're gonna be in the... You're gonna be in that building, right? You remember if you climb to the top, there's like a doorway. It goes outside and across like a building.
Yeah.
Hold on. Alright, so you'd be over here. You'd be
They're
up
coming.
like this little chute thing.
Oh, okay.
Okay, you'd be
Well, they're
right here.
Lane, they're coming.
They're coming? Okay.
They killed a boomer.
They killed the AI boomer. How could they?
Best. Oh, fuck. I fucking...
That musk.
Go in. Come on, coach. Oh, that 12. How did I get more damage than you?
Because I charged and he instantly, before I even got a punch, he killed me with auto shotty.
Right. No way,
Fucking wrecked Hunter.
Well, piss.
Well, piss on me.
Oh,
Piss on
big
me.
boys.
Dalton's reaction.
Fucking rip.
Dude, I am fucking ripped.
No, what the f- I went right through Coach. This is booty.
Trashed here.
I went through him.
Mm-hmm.
Fook.
Whoop.
Don't look behind you, mustard seeds. Don't ever look behind you. Whee! Ew!
Wait!
How did I not hit Rochelle? Fuck.
No one cares, but we're getting Ellis.
Oh, where's Ellis?
Oh, we finally got a fourth person. It's a miracle. And he got instantly skeeted by Coach. That's troll. I don't even think that's a girl.
I don't know.
And he left after he got instantly skeeted.
I think it's a grill.
He's the real MVP because after he got skeeted, he's like, you know what?
Fuck it.
Fuck this game.
Well, Jesus. Wait, Nick's all by himself. Please get Nick.
Oh!
Nick is all by himself.
What the fuck?
Dirty
As soon as
boy.
I started going for it, everyone
Oh,
else
never mind.
followed me. I was like, what?
Is-
What? What?
And then with AI smoker again.
I got off at midnight.
No, wrecked lane.
Right.
10 out of 10. Dude, we're doing trash.
We are.
We're
That's okay, we got a
right.
tank.
Our tank to save us.
Oh, that casual hunt is gonna save us.
But they know the tank's gonna be here, so they have like a molly or some shit. Oh, rip the
They don't.
We can get him to startle the witch.
I can do that.
Can you?
Maybe. Depends on if I can jump up here like a casual.
Come on, Ellis. Got him. Well, Ellis is down here. Lane, why?
Because I can.
Why? Lane, don't claw the witch, I'll use damage it.
That guy has pretty bad aim, I swear.
Except for the
Why
fact
couldn't
that
they
he
shoot the witch?
didn't hit the witch. Oh boy,
God.
let me spawn my hunter. Yum 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 yum
They
yum
startled it. I think they one-shotted her though.
yum 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 yum. Boom, I'm not fucking afraid of Boomer Bile. It's the least thing I'm afraid of. Oh, Nick just juked the fuck out of me.
I got him. Or
Ah,
not.
Boomer Bile. I can't see shit. Never mind. I am afraid of Boomer Bile. You were right, Hawaiian. I lost Nick. Shit.
He's back by everyone else.
Oh,
Hey,
fuck.
keep him out there. Keep him out there.
Got coach. I need someone to help me with Ellis. Oh, they'll fuck up Nick. I need help with Ellis.
I'm lagging so badly now. What the fuck?
Fucking more bile. Now I can't see shit again. It's Michelle.
They're all picking him up. They're picking him up. Don't kill Gimli the hobo.
I don't have enough health. Fuck. No, Gimli. Lane, don't you fuck this up.
What? I swear to God, if you kill me.
How? Oh my god!
Oh, I got her. Maybe. Or not. I can't seem to fucking hit her.
No
And you
one
killed
can.
me. Doesn't matter, kill her, please. Just slap her to death.
I have
Damn.
100 health. Gotta.
She died. Okay.
Fucking Jukong. Fucking Wukong. Jesus Christ, that was. Wow.
I think it's just because we suck at aiming. I think that's it. At least I suck at aiming.
Why would I need to aim? I have a fist. Oh my god. I only needed 8 damage to that witch though.
No problem. I didn't even know there was a witch there.
It was probably the one you were clawing.
Oh. Yeah, I knew how to get myself on the leaderboard.
Why do I have a pump shotgun?
I'm gonna turn to my sound so I'm
Does it
quieter.
look like trailer trash to you?
There we go.
Molotov pill.
I don't